Start learning these 3 skills today, because in the next 3 months, they can realistically help you earn up to $1,000 per month. Number 1, copywriting. This is the skill behind ads, sales pages, emails, and captions that actually make people take action. There's a 7-hour course available for free on YouTube, where you'll learn what copywriting really is, how it works in the real world, and most importantly, how people use it to make money, step by step. Number 2, video editing, a skill that's in demand everywhere right now, from creators to brands. What makes this skill powerful is that you can start from zero and still grow quickly. There's a 9 hours video that covers video editing from the basics and gradually takes you to an advanced level, making it easy to learn even if you've never edited a video before. Number 3, Facebook ads, which is one of the highest paying skills right now. When learned properly, this single skill has the potential to help you earn 6 figures per month, as businesses are constantly looking for people who can run ads that bring results. To get started, there's a 1-hour Facebook ads course on YouTube, and yes, it's completely free. So if you've been waiting for the right skills and the right time, this is it. Just hit the follow button and comment skills, and I'll send everything straight to your DMs.